Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you for the last 15 days of January. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Leos. The Five of Wands, Hierophant, the Lovers, okay. Ten of Swords, the Hangman, Page of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Strength, Eight of Wands, the Seven of Swords, okay, the Four of Swords, and the Emperor. Okay. So Leos, there seems to be some sort of a argument or conflict regarding a marriage or a commitment. Okay, maybe actually a marriage, but yes, it can be a commitment or just a relationship which you really view somebody as your soulmate and a strong relationship over here. Okay, so with the Five of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Lovers, this is some argument and a dispute, as I've already told you. And what I feel here is that one of you is trying to convince the other person regarding a commitment, or you want a commitment, another person is not committing, or it may be that there may be some other reason that you are trying to convince the other person is not getting convinced for some reason. And this is a relationship which you actually planned to commit to, or you have those intentions of committing to, or maybe actually you are committed and you want to step up the relationship. It can be anything, but definitely it is a relationship which has the intentions of, at least one of you definitely has the intentions of commitment and marriage in this relationship. Okay, but the issue here is the other person is either not getting convinced for the commitment, it can be that also. Okay, so maybe one of you has commitment and marriage on the mind and other person doesn't have. Maybe that is what the argument is about, and you are trying to convince them and they are not agreeing to it, something of that sort. And here with the Ten of Swords, the Hangman, and the Page of Swords, so what I feel here is that this situation is obviously not moving forward. It's totally stuck, and the person who is trying to convince the other person, or whatever this argument here is about, you are done with this situation. It's totally done, and you really don't feel that it can go any further. And that is what is happening with the Hangman and the Ten of Swords. So somebody has totally given up on this situation, and with the Hangman it's not moving forward. With the Page of Swords, the Four of Pentacles, and the Strength, maybe the clarity which is coming here with the Page of Swords is that this is what you have understood. That's what I feel. With the Hangman and the Ten of Swords, somebody is totally giving up on this situation, and with the Page of Swords, what I feel is this is the clarity you have attained in your mind, that okay, yeah, now I should be clear, and this should be really understood that yes, it cannot go any further. And because of this clarity in the mind, with the Four of Pentacles, you're totally closed off. Totally closed off, not investing in this relationship. With the Strength card, definitely what I feel is, though it is requiring a lot of strength, but yes, you are doing it. And then we have the Eight of Wands, the Seven of Swords, the Four of Swords, and the Emperor. So what I feel here is that there is some sort of information which is being hidden from you, or you are hiding from them. So somebody is hiding something, some sort of an information from the other person, and that is the issue over here. And with the Four of Swords again and the Emperor, what I feel is this person Somebody here has definitely given up and they're focusing on their own healing. They're focusing on, it's like total surrender of the situation, because this communication, this person is not opening up. This person is not opening up, and the communication, even if it is done, it is of no use. The communication is not yielding any positive results. But what I feel is there is some information which is being hidden by the other person. With the Four of Swords, somebody has totally given up the situation and just focusing on themselves, on their healing. And then we have the Emperor. Maybe this person over here you're dealing with is actually very, very dominating, or maybe controlling in their attitude, something like that. Let's see. Let me see if I have anything else for the Leos here. Okay, we have the Three of Cups, the Six of Wands, and the Sun. So what I feel here is that with the Emperor, maybe after healing and stuff, since you're focusing over here on yourself, and then we have the Wheel of Fortune also, the World. So this is the Emperor. Maybe it can be the quality of the person you were dealing with, but what I feel is here you are regaining the control, because the cards which are following it are the Three of Cups, the Six of Wands, the Sun card, the World, and the Wheel of Fortune. So what I feel here is you are happy, you're gaining back the control of your life once again, focusing on yourself. Maybe it can be a reconciliation for some of you, or reunion for some of you, but I really, and because here it is being this is celebrations, being happy, and celebrating those happy times. So once you are back in control, you are happy, you are partying with your friends and family, you're feeling good about yourself, feeling happy about yourself. And we have the Sun card, the World, and the Wheel of Fortune. So definitely things are changing, ending of a cycle and beginning of a new cycle in your life, a new chapter in your life. But yes, but since the Three of Cups is over here and we have the communication card here, it can be that at least some of you are able to sort it out with your communication, and you want to, if you really want a reunion with this person. I'm not getting a very strong vibe about the reunion, but yes, it may be there, but whatever it is ultimately giving you happiness, and things are definitely changing over here. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Leos. The Two of Clubs. So this is a passionate conversation. Now this can be a fight and an argument also, since we have started with the Five of Wands, and it can be if it's reunion or it is a new chapter, somebody else is entering in your life, then it can be a passionate conversation with the lover. So it can be both, depends on your situation. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Leos, guidance from the angels for Leos. Fair decisions. Your number 8 may be of some significance for you. Your angels are aware that you have concerns, but rest assured that nothing to worry about. Stand your ground, and you know that the heaven is shining its divine light upon you. The situation is all being healed. Take time to review all the details thoroughly. Forgiveness will bring peace to everyone around. So if you are ready to forgive, and if you are ready for a reconciliation, so maybe that's for you then, Leos. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.